These just came out of the water. What I'm doing here is I just made a slit right under there. You can see that. This just came out of the water. But they are not alive because I checked. And trust me, I am working a little bit faster. The tip on this knife is broken off. It's so weird. I can't find my other two. They might be. So you hear that sound? I'm riding the tailbone. I'm separating the meat from the bone. Sharper your knife, the better. This knife is not that sharp, but because I know what I'm doing, I'm making it work. I'm using more pressure than I normally would with a sharper knife. Okay. Again, I'm just riding this bone up. So this is how you can get a kid's fish if they want fish. It's gonna be boneless. Then I'm just gonna come back up to get my fillet off. Again, not the sharpest knife, I'm sorry guys, but I couldn't help it. These dropped on my doorstep and I said, you know what, I'm hungry. So why not make me some fish? If I get a little bit of this white belly skin, I'll just snip it off with my scissors. But that's a boneless fillet. The next thing we'll have to do is take the skin off. And I'm pulling the skin while I'm taking the meat off the skin. I didn't get to show you the other side, so that's the skin I'm taking off. So that I have a skinless, boneless fillet. And it's that simple. So we have a skinless, boneless fillet. This is in the sink. Do the other side. And we are ready to eat. Fry. Okay, so here's your other side. I'm gonna do the exact same thing. Yeah, with the sharp knife, hopefully. My knife is not so sharp, but I'm going right behind the back of the head. And then I'm gonna come down. I'm gonna come down the spine. And it's not easy because my knife is not sharp. But I'm doing the best I can. Should have been prepared. I just turned the camera on because I was about to do this anyway. So I was like, let me just film it. At the very end, you kind of go through. See how my knife is through? And I'm just going to ride that off of the tail. Just like that. So again, we're going to come back up here and we're going to ride the bone to get the meat off of the bone. Okay, I'm gonna keep doing it. Okay, that's why this is straight off the hook. The tip of my knife is broken off. Let me show you. Look at that. It's okay though. I'm still using the next part of the tip. I'm just riding down the bone. It's gonna open up and come off of here, see? And then keep doing it just with the tip. And here we have another boneless fillet. Now you can check with your fishing guide to see what's the good part or bad part of the fish. I don't eat the belly. That's usually the silvery part. Here's the flat. So even though I'm gonna cut this off because it's easier for me now, when I'm in my cleaning process, I missed a lot of it. When I'm in my cleaning process, I might snip that off. And there we have it. This is what's left. And this is about to go into my garden bed. And I'm going to, this is an empty spot right here. So I'm just gonna dig a little hole where no animals will come around and dig this up. Okay. That's it. There we go. You can see. There you guys see it. The fish is in the hole. Yes. Cover it back up. I don't do this every year, but right now we're good. It's not gonna stink or anything. I'll show you how much I'm not using a lot. So all I was doing is I rinsed my fillets and I set them on some paper towel, kind of to get some of the wetness out. That's pretty much all I was over here doing. I cleaned up black pepper on both sides. If I like it, I'm gonna put a little garlic powder. I'm gonna put a dab of this Old Bay on there, just a little bit. This is a sprinkle of seasoning salt. Fish nice and coated all over. A little dishwater in there. So we just going. See right now. You know what we're listening for? Yeah, it's going good. So you want to put your fish in away from you. So I kind of do like this. Put it in. Did you hear that? This is. Let the fire down a little bit. We frying, honey. We about to have this too. I don't know why I do this. I saw somebody do it like my grandma said. This is an old jalapeno, but I'm gonna throw that jalapeno in there in the grease. Now, depending on how you want your fish to fry, if you want it fried hard, I go for a color for mine, like the color. And this pepper is blistering up, which is good. Put it in here. Press down on it so that the meat cooks evenly. And the pepper's doing good. It's frying up for me. I truly want to be able to eat a few slices of this fried jalapeno that I did. So I'm cutting them up in a couple of slices. This is really crunchy. Really crunchy. So there we have it. Thank you guys for watching.